What's up guys, TweakGuys here. Today we are going to show how to unlock your iPhone while wearing a face mask. First of all, you guys have to make sure that you have a 4-digit passcode. And then head over to settings. Then go to accessibility, then scroll down until you see voice control. Then turn on the voice control. Then click on customize commands. Then choose custom, and then create new command. You can give any phrase to unlock your phone. Here I am giving unlock as the command. Then choose action. Then run custom gesture. And now here you will have to type in the passcode of your phone, and here mine is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then save it. Now just lock your phone and swipe up so the keypad comes up. Now say the phrase, unlock. That's it guys, and if you have any questions drop it down in the comment box. Thanks for watching, and if you have liked the video subscribe, leave a like. Peace out.